We are about to pass the Circus Magurkis Cafe. Stupendous.
Oh wow, this is pretty cool.
The Woolly Waloo. The Spotted Astrocious.
The wink-hooded hoodwink.
These are cute. What you doing, fool?
Well, they actually had some good food here. The door's still open, right?
Here we are, the Circus Magurkis Cafe. Stupendous.
Cat in the hat.
That's nice.
Oh, this is so cute.
I was telling Hav they better serve green eggs and ham.
On some facts, B. I'm gonna be very upset if otherwise.
There's Horton.
He's like a football guy.
1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish.
Oh my god, can we take a picture of this big cat in the hat?
Yeah. Actually, a nice picture right there would be nice.
I gotta show this to Adri. Oh my god, the phone is doing that dumb shit again.
Interesting.
Oh! Can you take a picture of this big ass hat?
Looking at the little glove, I want to scale this.
I'm gonna grab the bag, dude.
These are the behind the scenes photo op. My guy Fud Nudler Bros popcorn.
Fud Nudler.
Oh y'all, look the Fud Nudlers, look.
Oh look, they're all there.
That's gonna be my new name in Smash. Excuse me, that's my new name in Smash.
Circus McGurk.
Yes, Circus Magurkis.
Jerkin.
Oh my god. Very good that Universal bought the property of Dr. Seuss. Absolutely. And you know what's funny? Disney could have bought it.
Imagine if Disney bought this.
It would be perfect, honestly.
Such a different experience.
It'd be a monopoly of just like too much.
Just, yeah, a conglomerate of all media.
No, I'm good.
We're waiting to take a quick pic underneath the cat in the
Oh, did
hat.
you switch masks?
Yeah.
Way to be theme appropriate. Oh, this is actually perfect. Get the whole hat in the shot.
Carmen in the hat.
This last one was a candid photo of you and Brandon. Hey, that was.
Oh my god. Wow, get you a man too.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Oh, there's the logo, Car.
Oh yeah, that would have been neat.
Oh, this is cute. Get in here, guys. I got the whole thing. Try to get in. Make it a flash off.
Yeah, wait a minute. Take your mask off. Take your mask off.
Ready?
Wait, I don't want to block it. We're blocking the cat in the hat.
It's okay. Right there, right there. Okay.
Perfect. Beautiful. Wow. Snack, eat, snack.
You're recording yourself right now?
Yes, I am. Is this mini golf?
It looks
This is nice.
Whoa!
That is the Harry Potter light show going on right now. No, they locked off everything. You can't go in.
You should get Speedy Magoo in his 8.
It started at 8 o'clock, right? Damn. I mean, Seuss Landing.